Hey guys, I just wanted to make another video since I haven't posted one for a little while. And I made a little homemade trak cleaner. This thing is not running very well. I need to oil it. Also, Happy Christmas to all of you. It's getting near Christmas. But see that little white piece under there? That's a little Mr. Clean. You can try this for any scale. I gotta fix that. That one over it just fine. And it stops. 1 second. I'm gonna. Yeah, it doesn't like to go over that. Little Christmas tree. Just going around and decides to stop. I'll let it run around a couple times. See all that stuff that's on there? Well, you almost kind of can't. All that gray, that's from cleaning that loop and this whole entire big giant loop. And I don't know how long I've had this loop for, about a year now. This stuff that's all right here, that's new. Let's hope that thing doesn't fall off and die, because yeah, my room's kind of a little bit of a mess. And I got that. There's the GG1 little thing that I made. Slow this down a little bit. I remember one video not too long ago, I can't remember, got those things. So, also I got that as well, so might as well show it and demonstrate it to you. Not easy looking through a camera and trying to do stuff with N scale. But just give me a second. I'm gonna put these passenger cars on, so the screen's gonna go blank for a couple seconds because it's not easy putting this stuff on. At least like this. I'm definitely still here, just moving this up. I'm not going to put the back passenger car on. I'm going to put the little cleaner behind it, so I'm not showing the track. This up top part I've had for, I don't know, 4 or 5 months now. At least for everything that I've gotten. And it's nowhere close to done in what I'm doing. But, we're getting closer. Heck, I might actually do a live stream in a little bit with my N scale, and I'll see if I can get both of these little sets running up top and bottom. But I doubt I'll try to record this weekend, but cousins are coming over, so I don't think I'll be able to do the live stream today, tomorrow, or Wednesday. So I'll do it whenever I can. But just got it all set up on. Santa Fe, Southern Pacific, daylights, trak cleaner. Yes, I have this. It doesn't have a coupler at the back, so I want to clean the track a little bit more. And just so you know, this one doesn't have like any. Oh, I just touched something. This one does not have any thing for like that, for like right here or there. No. Also, it's not easy looking through this. They're the same type, just different company. Also, this thing, bought it like this. It's a little cheesy thing that I was gonna paint because it's worth nothing now. Well, I'm gonna run the thing around and stop blabbering. If it'll go. Normally a little up there is when it decides to just disconnect. Sorry, it's really fuzzy. This does not like to focus very easily. All the way out. Also, I'm not even actually using a camera. I'm using a little iPad that's, I don't know how old. Almost my age, which I'm 10. This thing's, I'm pretty sure, 11. Yeah, and the screen's cracked up. If I ever get an actual camera, also, sorry that it's crappy right now. Focus, autofocus. 1 second.